Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss ADRCI for Oracle database. And this is the support tool provided by Oracle. This is automatic diagnostic repository command interpreter utility has been introduced in Oracle 11G to manage Oracle trace files and diagnostic data. The ADRCI commands are so like listener control utility like show, set, and help. That is another advantage of ADRCI over Enterprise Manager. The commands in ADRCI are here and now, like you will run the command, immediately result will appear. OEM has latency issues. Sometimes it takes time to navigate and to bring the data. ADRCI commands. Now we will see how we can use it. So just on Oracle Home, or if it is in the path, then just write ADRCI and enter. It will. It is like command prompt. It will open. Like you can see, ADRCI is. Then you can write show homes to see all the homes already registered with the ADRCI, and you can type help to see all the available commands by ADRCI. Then you can take help by each command to see how you can use that. ADRCI offers the following features: command line interface with intuitive commands, readily accessible, does not rely on the database being open, automates the collection and packaging of many files, allows one to add one's own files, standardizes the content and exchange of information between you and Oracle support. Its main purpose is this: to collect the information from logs and send to Oracle. There are other commands intended to be used directed by Oracle. Type help extended to see the ADRCI command list. The hierarchy of directories within the repository is as below, like ADR base mean Oracle base, then diag, then RDBMS, under that DB name, like what database name you have for that. Under that folder, SID named folder. Under that you will find incident, alert, cdump, and other folders. Rack nodes and ASM will have their own ADR setup, and those could be spanning a common file system. ADR deals with problems, so create one in order to have something to work with. Is every problem reportable? That is any aura error recorded in the alert log sufficient to create an incident? The answer is no. That is a bit more serious than a user error for a wrong size while resizing a data file. Start ADRCI and set the home to the RDBMS path, but leave all homes in the show home output. The next step is to see what show incident displays. In the output below, a create_time column is not shown due to editing or page size limitations. Set home path, then you can define the path. Show incident, it will show the incident. As you can see, specimen information is there. Note that the database did not and does not have to be opened or have an instance running, for that matter, in order to use ADRCI. You can verify the Oracle base by issuing show base. Show base, it will show the base of ADR. In case you try to set incorrect base, it shows error. Set, for example, if you are going to set wrong path in base, it will not allow you. It will give error DIA 48447. Check the diagnostic_dest initialization parameter value in the SQL Plus session. On the another PC used throughout the remainder of this chapter, for examples, diagnostic underscore dest is set to the path on Windows or /home/oracle/database name in Linux. Starting in release 11G, background underscore dump underscore dest and user underscore dump underscore dest became deprecated. Both are replaced by the new diagnostic underscore dest parameter. The location is associated with Oracle underscore base if set or Oracle home/log if not. ADR deals with problems, so create one in order to have something to work with. Is every problem reportable? That is any Aura error recorded in the alert log sufficient to create an incident? The answer is no. Some errors are obviously serious and others represent PEBKAC, means problem exists between keyboard and chair, that is the user. ADRCI will report on critical problems, which are the ones that Oracle considers to be critical, which may not coincide with what the DBA believes is critical. An easy error to generate and know that it will be recorded in the alert log is to attempt to shrink a data file to a size lower than the high watermark. Pick a data file at random and attempt to resize it to something obviously nonsensical. Example is in front of you. You can see select file name from DBA data files. It will show you all the data files. Then you can choose any and alter database data file, resize command. It will give you error Aura 03297. The tail of the normal alert log has recorded the error. Alert database data file Aura 3297 signaled during alter database data file. Keep this error in mind and generate another more serious error. A corrupt block is pretty serious. But how does the DBA get one when he does not really want one? Use BBED, the block browser and editor tool covered elsewhere in this book. Means it will be covered in any other topic. Another way to corrupt a block and to some degree a file is to use a hex editor such as Ultra Edit. Take a code backup, edit the user's 01 data file by changing the character, look for operations and change it to P operations while in hex edit mode. Save and close, then start up the database. The following error output should show up. Aura 01157 cannot identify or lock data file 4. See dbwr trace file. So the next step is to see what show incident displays. In the output below, a create underscore time column is not shown due to editing or page size limitations. First set home with the ADRCI, then show incident. You can see error shown Aura 600. Note that the database must not be opened or have an instance running, for that matter, in order to use ADRCI. Most of ADRCI commands work on single home, so need to set home first. With the specific home set, use ADRCI to view the tail of the XML based alert log file. The output will have the XML stripped off. The syntax is show alert space minus tail, then options. You can try using show alert minus tail minus F in an ADRCI session. Since there is an incident number, are there any trace files associated with it? You can run command show trace file -i8545. This number was coming in the previous command we run to see the incident. This is the incident ID. Okay, now you can see the trace file associated with this incident. ADRCI will list incident reports in a brief or detail mode. and also by a specific incident number in case there is more than one in the repository. Looking at the detailed output for this incident, the following comes up. Show incident minus mode detail. It will show the detail of this incident. Package the incident. Main part is to go from logical to physical. There is a metadata about the incident, so create a physical set of data, that is a set of files which contains the incident information. The steps are: create a logical package, add diagnostic information to the package, generate the physical package. The package can be based on one of the following attributes. Empty, it can be empty. You can add items in step 2. Incident number, problem key, time interval. Use the IPS create package command to create the physical package. Given that there is an incident number, use that as follows: IPS create package incident 8545. Create the zip file by generating the package. IPS generate package 1 in folder name, or if Linux then /temp, or any folder you like. So what is in zip file? Extract, you can extract and see. But when we write command IPS generate package 1 is basically the name of the file we gave. You can write anything there, file name. With the zipped package, the DBA is now ready to provide Oracle support with the information they need to help. The classic MOSC interface can still be used for a while, but get used to the Flash-based My Oracle support process. It is quite sharp looking, and one can tell a lot of work went into creating a more professional interface. To view alert log, you need to set correct home and issue show alert. So you first set home for the alert, and then you can write show alert. It will show you all the alerts down. Or you can run different commands like show alert minus tail 100. It will show last 100 lines. If you mention show alert minus tail 100 minus F, means last 100 lines, and wait to report new line. Show alert minus P originating underscore timestamp greater than system timestamp minus 1 by 24 minus term. Term option is used as this will display it on screen, else open output in editor. Now we are showing different examples like show alert minus P message underscore text like %aura dash %sign. It will show all the aura errors. Get information about current problems with show problem. Show problem will bring all the problems. List specific incident detail like mentioned above. We can mention show incident minus mode detail minus P double quotes incident underscore ID equals 24129 incident ID number double quotes closed. Or same like you can set home for listener and then check location of listener log with below command show trace file. Then you can mention the path and listener.log. These are various options to check listener log. Show trace listener.log, view listener.log, show alert. Below commands will purge all files under alert directory older than 14400 minutes, that is 10 days. You can use that figure as per your requirement. Purge minus age 14400 minus type alert. It will remove the lines from alert files more than 10 days old. It will reduce the size of alert file. Check location of listener log with below command show trace file path listener.log. These are various options to check listener log. Again, show trace, view and show. ADR metadata is purged automatically as per default policies. To check current policy for home, use show control command. You can directly query the metadata table to easily read the information. Select short p policy, short p underscore policy, comma long p underscore policy, comma last underscore auto prg underscore time, comma last underscore manu prg underscore time from adr underscore control. Also this command you can run to see the values. Short p underscore policy, number of hours after which to purge ADR contents that have a short file. Default is 720, that is 30 days. Long p underscore policy, number of hours after which to purge ADR contents that have a long file. Default is 8760, that is 365 days. So these are the commands, and in the help you can see there are many other commands. So you can learn commands through help, like we mentioned above. You can type help and then you can type the name of command and you can see how you can use that. It is easy, but it is important thing. If you have any serious issue and you want to send it to Oracle, then you have to use it to collect all the information and to send to Oracle. Or if also if there are huge files are going on, like listener log and other log files are getting very huge fast, so you can reduce them through purge commands in ADRCI. So by that it will be easy, because you don't have to go to each folder and delete the file, then you have to delete all file or move all file to somewhere. Here it's easy, you can mention, you can remove older than 10 days data, older than 30 days data, older than 5 days data. It's up to you. I hope it is you will like this video for ADRCI. I try to get good information and show you. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video.